Looking for a reliable way to boost your signal without the hassle of bulky equipment? The 3dBd gain VHF antenna offers just that, solid performance in a compact design. If you want better reception and clearer communication, this antenna delivers gain without demanding a massive footprint on your vehicle. I've tested this antenna on a less than ideal setup myself. Mounted on the right rear of my van instead of the center roof, it still managed an SWR between 1.6 to 1 and 1.7 to 1, which is quite acceptable. That's important because a 5/8 wave mobile antenna usually needs to be centered for the best ground plane. Despite the less than perfect position, this antenna provided noticeable gain over a standard quarter wave. It's just over a foot long, so it doesn't stick out like a 3-foot antenna, making it a smart choice if you want performance without the bulk. I did trim it carefully using a Dremel, 1/8 inch at a time, to optimize it for GMRS frequencies near the high end of its range. The result? Clearer signals and positive feedback from contacts on the road. Another user shared that after cutting the antenna to the recommended length, they got an SWR reading of 1.01 right off the bat, no adjustments needed. It worked flawlessly with their 20-watt GMRS mobile unit, delivering strong, consistent signals on local repeaters. The solid brass chromed base adds durability and premium quality, ensuring your antenna stays secure and performs well over time. What you get with the 3dBd gain VHF antenna is a balance of power, convenience, and quality. Its compact size fits easily on your vehicle without compromising signal strength. The solid brass base resists corrosion, so it's built to last. Whether you're using it for GMRS or other VHF needs, it offers reliable amplification that improves your communication range. If you're tired of bulky antennas or struggling with weak signals, this model is worth a look. It's straightforward to install, trims easily for fine-tuning, and delivers consistent results even in less than ideal mounting spots. Plus, the package dimensions are manageable at 14.25 inches long, making it a neat fit for most vehicles. Ready to upgrade your mobile communication? The 3dBd gain VHF antenna combines quality materials, proven performance, and user-friendly design. Try it when you're ready to experience clearer, stronger signals without the hassle of oversized equipment.